Happening here. I'm just giving these guys a little tub of drinking water. They've got their tub of bath water. I just want to give them some fresh rainwater. I don't know if they're actually going to go over there. It's warm. It's from a black tub that's in the sun, so the water's actually warm. Are you going to get in there, Mama? Good girl. You can show them what it is. Maybe they won't be so afraid. Sorry for the wobble. I'm trying to balance my phone on a very narrow ledge. Good job, Mama. You show them how to drink that. Thanks to all of you who subscribe to my channel. I sure appreciate it. And I appreciate the likes and the comments. Even some of the silly, snarky comments. They're fine. They've got their bath water in the back corner. Maybe they'll have fresh drinking water here now, because when they go in the bath, they do tend to poop. And it's hard to keep their water fresh when they poop in it. So hopefully they'll, oh, that one just pooped while it's drinking. See how that works? In one end, out the other. No decorum. All right, good job, babies.